All right, here's one of my little things I like to do to keep them sharp while it's raining outside, although it's not raining outside. But this is an exercise that I do like to do while it's raining outside. Dirty in the house. Dirty, get in the house. Q, come here. Good, come. Get in the house. Dirty, come here. Good, come. Get in the house. Get in the house, Q. So one, it allows them to come when their name is being called, to know the difference. And it makes them think. And it works on the comeback. Having them to come when you need them to come. Always keeping a train and knowing that they'll be rewarded when they come. And Dirty has improved greatly because of these type of exercises. Dirty, come. Look at Q still right there because he knows his name was not Dirty. Go get in the house. Look at the cat. Look at the cat. Look, Q ready. He's smiling. Look, I ain't called him yet. Q, come here. That's a no, Dirty. Good in the house. Look at Uno. Q, come here. Good, come. Get in the house. Dirty, come here. Look at the cat. Come here, come here, come here, Daddy, come here. Hey, Daddy. Come here, Dirty. Good, come. Get in your house. Good stay. Good stay, Q. That's a good stay. And it just got them thinking. They've been in the backyard playing. We went for a walk. Now I just got them thinking, being patient, being anxious. They really love these treats. I'll probably pick up another pack tomorrow. I'm almost done with this pack. Dirty, get in your house. Q, come here. Good, come. Get in the house. And see, they're really intelligent. Where Dirty might be expecting for me to call his name, but I'll psych him out. Watch this. Dirty, stay. Q, come here. Good, come. Get in the house. Just so that they won't just assume a commandment because they hear their name. Dirty. Q, stay. Dirty, come here. Good boy. Good, come. Get in the house. Get in your house. Get in your house. I'm definitely gonna have to mop when this exercise is done. That comes with the territory. Good, stay. Dirty, lay down. Good, down. Dirty, up. Stop. Q, back up. Dirty, up. Dirty, come here. Good, come. Get in your house. Good boy. And see, I did all that training with that exercise interaction with Dirty just now because Q was over there huffing and puffing, getting impatient. So I wanted him to lust a little bit more, thinking that I was not going to give him to his huffing and puffing. Let's see if he does it again. Watch this. He might lay down and huff and puff because he wants some attention. Good, Dirty. Good stay. Uno, you okay over there? Dirty, come here. Good come. Good boy. Get in the house. Look at you. Right, this is getting boring. Look, here he comes. He about to huff. I just stopped him. I just stopped him. Let's see if we get him. Look, watch this. Listen. We love you, Q. Don't be like that. Q, come here. Whoa. That's a no. Back up. Dirty, that's a no. Dirty, stay. Q, come here. Good come. Get in your house. Well, that's just a quick little tip in case it rains. After you let your dogs use the bathroom and you still want to do something with them, brain stimulation. Yeah, basically brain stimulation, interacting with you. Because sometimes when I go in the backyard, they don't want to horseplay. They want to actually just interact with me. That's when it's attack training, or what do you call it? What you call it that we do back there? Play with the soccer ball, or we play with the frisbee, or any other thing that we like to practice. When they're not in a mood to deal with each other and wrestle with each other, they want to rock with me. And so these are the scenarios of when you come in on a rainy day or whatever the case may be, or you might be too tired. I don't know what the scenario is, but you guys kind of see what I'm doing here. And it's just pretty good for just brain stimulation and education. And maybe even try a new trick. But this is me and my guys. Thank you guys for watching. We'll holler at y'all later on. Uno, come here. Say peace. Uno says peace, y'all.